this right here. With this, make it happen over here. He just be running away. Like, he was gone for like an hour. This is what I have going on over here. I had to cut the wood up. I got a pallet. I'm just cutting it up over here. This and somebody hit me right here. Gotta measure this all out. In reality, I want to cut all this, make it look different. Might take this out, take these two out, see how many trim pieces I have. This, I would have to put a piece of wood under this with the new wood I put. Getting done. I got the screw, just measured it. You know the vibes. I am about to remove this one, and this one. These have the good screws on it. I can't touch that. I'm gonna fill this up right here, and all of this. I gotta put a bracket under here. So, let's go. Cut it right there. Put all these in the lineup. And alright. We looking good over here. This is how it's gonna look till I change the whole floor. If I change it, because this is a work truck. You know the vibes. Now I gotta get a marker. Like easy right here. I got a bracket right under this. I gotta put another one for here and here. So it could go back down. And that's it. We done, baby. It's gonna look like this for now. Alright guys. I finished. This is just temporary. Even though it is a work truck, but out of here. Peace.